Hello all, how are you guys doing today? Today I have a two-shop small Etsy haul for you guys. Both shops are brand new to me, so I figured I would share them here with you guys and give you my thoughts. So we'll start with the ginormo package. This is from Nash's Printworks. She always runs these like crazy sales on Instagram, and you know, just I was thinking like, oh wow, you know, I'm gonna give her a try sometime. So giving her a try. So she sent it in that big envelope. It's in this pretty bag, and it says Nash's Printwork with this little like sateen bow glued on. I've already been in here. I think, sorry, that's really loud. I think there might be a, maybe not. Okay, so it comes in a cello bag. Like a giant one. And then here we have a little Nash's Printwork plastic paper clip, and then a little like rewards program that you can use to get, once you fill the entire card, you get $10 off. So, and you get 1 star for every $5 you spend. So I've already used one sticker out of here, so I'll start with those first. So I got some dinosaur stickers. I used the Triceratops in my spread last week for the release of Jurassic Park, or Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Love the movie, by the way. I'm a huge Jurassic Park World fan. So anyway, we have some long necks, some Stegosauruses, some Triceratopses, and I think this is supposed to be a T-Rex. If it's not a T-Rex, then it's like a Carnosaurus or maybe an Allosaur. No, I think Allosaurs have longer front arms. This is either a Carno or a T-Rex. So, but we play this game, if you guys have been noticing on my Instagram, it's called Ark Survival Evolved, and we play it on the PS4, and there's dinosaurs in it, so I figured I could use these to mark when we play the game, if the colors match my spread, or when we watch the Jurassic movies or any movies that have to do with dinosaurs. So, and this is a full sheet of sticker paper, so it's the entire thing, which is just crazy to me. So, but once I use these up, I'm going to save this sticker backing and make myself like a little storage book. So the other thing I got were these glitter nail polish bottles. All of this is on matte paper, and the cuts are really good. She just has a very generous like border around the icons. So as you can see here, there's a good bit of white space, so you could trim that down by hand, but it's just a bunch of glittery nail polishes, so a bunch of colors. And then I got one like mini kit kind of thing from her. So I think this was called Seashells, and we have some full boxes and checklists and headers and some deco and a weekend banner, and her print quality is great, so I have no complaints there. It's not like pixelated or anything. I mean, there's a couple spots that are, but you get that in pretty much any kit, unless you're doing like glossy or like a high-end matte. This is just a regular matte. Here are the box checklists, some sidebar headers, some more seashell deco, and then half boxes. Then on this sheet we have date covers, date dots, 2 weekly boxes, 2 habit trackers, bottom washi, and more seashells. So I thought this would be a fun kit to deal with. It does only come with 7 full boxes, so we'll see how I can make that work. But that is everything I got from Nash's Printwork. And the other order I got was from Jax and Pepper. This order was placed during the monthly Planner Madness, and it is my July monthly kit. Now, this is my first time trying Jax and Pepper, and there was an invoice. I think I took it out. Yeah, so she did a mini printed invoice on this size paper, and her monthly kit for the Erin Condren was $10.50 before discount. So, and she sent it in this rigid mailer with her logo on the back. and a do not bend sticker on the front. And we got a couple of things in here. So first up here is her business card. And then she also has a rewards program. If you collect 7 of her little coins that you get right here on the freebie, then you get a $20 store credit. And you just email a picture to her email. So that's really neat, right? I really fail at those because I tend to shop from new shops all the time, but this shop has got amazing things. So this is like my trial. So here's her freebie. We've got a little bit of deco, a TN, and then like some various little like arrow pointy things that say clean laundry, payday, meeting, work it, birthday, and date night. Pretty neutrally colored too. So those are really nice. So into the main part of this, here is the left and right top bars, and then like the days to cover up that aren't in July, and then just one box here. And then the second page has all your date covers, a bunch of quarter boxes, an Independence Day box, a view of August, and then another decorative box. Then we have 4 paydays and a bunch of Bill Do flags and some presents. Then we have our sidebar items, goals, finance, and to-do, some more decorative flags, some circles, and a bunch of different circle icons, and then some asterisks and some flags here. This is on buttery premium matte paper, and I can't wait to use it. So you guys will be seeing this real soon. But that's all I got from these 2 shops here. Just these massive sheets. I mean, this shows you, this is normally what shops send, and this is literally double for Nash's Printworks. So, but that is everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. Just let me know that you liked it. And I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you. Bye for now.